Hi, I'm Jonny Swift, the PPC freelancer, and today I'm going to show you how to change a destination URL on Google Ads. The first thing I'm going to talk about is why you want to do this. For example, there might be a more relevant page. A lot of people just send the traffic to their homepage, and it might not be ideal, especially if you're selling a certain product or trying to promote a certain category, and you're just putting people to the homepage. Try to choose a page that is a lot more relevant. Sometimes the URL is faulty. Normally this pops up on Google as it cannot give people an incorrect link, so make sure that the URL is not faulty. Information could be outdated, it could be an old page, you've created a new one, happens all the time, or you're running an A/B test and you just want to test one landing page compared to another and see what makes the most conversions. All very relevant things. And also just a word of caution, just make sure that the page itself is fully relevant and it's the best page for the job. For example, if you're selling a certain product, you're putting people to the category page or the home page, just take people to the product if they can make a purchase on there. Try to shorten the journey as much as possible and just let people know exactly where they are on the website rather than just getting lost. So how to change this within Google Ads? Very, very simple. First of all, just go to the relevant ad. So go to the campaign, then the ad group where your ad is lying, and then go to your ad. If you're not 100% sure what ad it is, just check on the search terms or the keywords to make sure it is definitely the relevant ad that you want changing. And if you do have the right ad, for example, this one is paused, but you should see some impressions showing as well, showing that it is being seen by people. So in this case, just click on the edit button within the ad. And the destination URL is one of the first things you see on here. You will see final URL. So for example, this link here is the link where what people will go to if they click on the ad headline. It's really simple as that. For example, I've just got something going to people's leads. For example, if I want people to go to my contact page as well, I could just put contact with it here, which is a relevant page. Just always double check that this is 100% right, which in this case it is. This is a bad landing page, but I'm just going to show you an example if I change it to this page. And yeah, so I'm all happy with that. And that is kind of it. It's as simple as that. And then just click on save ad at the bottom. I'm just going to show you how to change it on mobile as well. All you need to do to change it on mobile is go to the bottom and then click on add URL options. Here you will see at the bottom that doesn't show straight away, use a different final URL for mobile. So just click on this. And if you've got a page for mobile that works better, for example, if it's completely mobile optimized, you can put additional URL in here that would only show for people clicking on your ad when they see it on mobile rather than desktop. So this could be useful for some people. And then once that is done, just click on save ad. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And if you like more Google Ads guides, please check out the rest of the videos that I do. You could find them very, very helpful. Thank you.